Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I want us to start off analysis with the EURUSD. We will be looking at what has been happening on the same pair for the past few days. We want to see what to expect to be happening on it today and possibly during the next few days. So we will start analysis from EURUSD. We have it here. So on this chart, basically this is what we had the previous week, the week before the previous one, the last week. We had these movements. The price went down and then it came back and closed somewhere here. So this is like this is around 91 pips. Then in that following week, we had around 445 pips. So currently the price is upwards. It went upwards, then it's pulling back to the lower side, but we don't know exactly what we expect to be happening, except for the levels where we expect the price to react from. So we have a very good support level here. You can see that we had support here. We had a support. There is a break below. We have a resistance. There is a break above. We have a support. If the price can go down and touch this line here, this is 1.07982, which is this level, then this should actually be a good place to look for a buy from. So we will be waiting to see what happens. If the price gets to this level but does not clearly break and close below it, then this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. We will have a very good support level at 1.06974. So we have the first support here, we have the next support here, and we have a very good resistance level here. This is our 1.08944, and we have another resistance level here, and we have another one at this price here. So as it is right now, we are actually looking at these levels. We have this one, we have this one, we have this one, and we have this one, and we have the one at the very top, which is this one here. So in case the price descends below this line, we will expect it to continue to the lower side up to the next level, which is 1.06974. And if the price bounces off from this level, then this is going to be a good place to look for a buy from, or this is a good place to look for a sell from, or this one, or this level here. So those are the few levels we are looking at for price to go up to before we can look for either a rebound from those levels. The other chart is GBPUSD. So on the GBPUSD so far, you see that we had a very good ascending channel formation previously. So you can see here, we had a very good support level here. We had a support 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 here. And we had the same support here. Now that the price is descending below it, we had the same support here. So as it is right now, it looks like the price is clearly closing and breaking below this trend line. So we may likely see a continuation to the lower side after the break, which we are currently seeing. So that means that if the price descends and closes below that line, then that will be the best place where we want to be looking for a sell from. So just wait and see what happens. If the price sustains itself below this line, then expect it to move downwards with our target at this price. This is the first target. The next target is at this price here. Then the next target is at this price. And the last one is this one here. Then on the upper side, we actually have a very good resistance level. So you can see that we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, and as long as the price is held below this trend line, we will expect the sellers to continue to push us downwards up to this target. If this is broken, the next target is this one. If this is broken, the next target is this one and this one here. So thank you for that chart. I want us to look at the next chart, which is GBPJPY. So with the GBPJPY so far, the price is within a converging wedge formation. So you can see that. Can as well see that. So you see that we had a very good support here. We had a support here. And we had a resistance here. And we had a resistance here. So as it is right now, if the price descends and closes below this trend line, then we will expect a continuation to the lower side up to the next level, which is this one, 189.944. So if the price goes below this line, expect it to continue to the lower side up to the next level, which is this one. If this line is broken, then expect it to extend downwards to the next level, which is this one. If that is broken, then expect the price to continue even lower up to around this line, which is 188.9339. So if the price goes below this point, we expect it to continue bearish towards this level here. If this is broken, then expect it to extend even lower up to the next level, which is this one, and our ultimate is this one here. But in case the price ascends above this line, that is, if it goes up and ends up breaking above this line, then we may see a move to the upper side, at least up to this target. Then if that target is broken, our next target is this one here. So those are the only levels we are looking at. Those are the levels we are looking at on this chart. The other chart which I want us to look at is AUDUSD. I want us to look at AUDUSD. We have it here. AUDUSD, just one moment. We have it there. So this is bearish. We have a very good downtrend. So it's like we had a shape which has just been violated. So we had a very good supportive trend line here. You can see that it was used previously as a resistance. So we have a resistance, a break, we have a support, there is a break below. So as it is right now, if the price can retrace back and touch this line around this point, then this should give us an ideal place to consider looking for a sell from. We may want to look for a sell from that point, expecting the sellers to push us downwards up to around 0.6498964, this level here. If this is broken, then we will expect it to continue to the next one, which is 0.64725. So expect a rebound from around this level to push us downwards up to this target, 0.64964. If this is broken, our next target is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.